Good morning, ladies and gents. Going with Declaration Grooming's After the Rain. This is the soap here. This is a crope for sure. For the brush, the synthetic RazoRock 24mm Barber brush. I like that handle. It's a long handle. It's only 24mm. I wish I would have gone for the 26, but it is what it is. It works. So yeah, the soap base, it's a crope. And just like Ariana and Evans, this soap base can take a ton of water. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of water on the puck. Since I don't soak synthetics like I do with natural hair, boar, badger. Sometimes I'll under saturate the brush with load on the brush here. So yeah, this base could definitely take a lot of water. I definitely get woody notes from this. I know it's supposed to be, it's the name of the soap is After the Rain, so I know it's supposed to be like that after the storm type of scent walking through the woods. I'm definitely getting woodsy notes. Now, is that woody note cedar? Is a pine? I don't know. It's just woody to me. Cedar has a very distinctive smell, so does pine. I could be wrong. I think this is kind of using both cedar and pine, though. When I buy these soaps, I look at the scent profiles, but after that, I don't really look at them. I just kind of go off of what's here, and the labels from Declaration Grooming at least do not show any scent profiles. They just kind of give the ingredients. So, anyways, so what I love about this and Ariana and Evans is when you're loading, you see that? It's kind of like marshmallow fluff in there. And that's when you know you've loaded enough, for sure. So, just going to get what's around the outside here. A little excess on the inside. Yeah, we're good. And I'll just kind of let that air dry for a couple of, probably about 24 hours. And then I'll put the lid on. And there's no point in rinsing that out, truthfully. The brush was clean before I lathered and whatnot. So this soap doesn't care if you have hard water, soft water. It really doesn't matter. On the face, I'd say this soap is probably 5 or 6 scent strength. And I've just been adding tons of water to this. I think you could see the sheen. This soap is excellent. On the face, about 5 or 6. The puck itself, about 4 to 5. So it does kind of pick up a little bit whenever you add the water and lather it on your face. And this stuff, my goodness, look at this. It has a big bubble right there, but it is, this is incredible. For the razor today, we're going with the Hagen Twist to Open TTO. This is my first DE, actually. Nothing in there at the moment. We're going with the GSB, Gillette Silver Blue. These come double wrapped. So that's the outer packaging. This is the inner packaging. And do we have big glue dots on these? Yeah. Oh well, it'll be alright. Gillette Silver Blue. Well, you could probably see this side better without the... Alright, that's going into the razor. Twist to open, or twist to shut, and we're good. Alright, first pass. Declaration Grooming's After the Rain. Yeah, this stuff is just slick, smooth, creamy, thick, and or dense. Smells great, you know, doesn't dissipate. I mean, I will mention this is not the new base. This is not Milk Steak from Declaration Grooming. This is the one prior to Milk Steak. The general consensus is that Milk Steak is a better base than this current one that I'm using. While I'm not purchasing one since I have this one, my next purchase from Declaration Grooming will be a Milk Steak base, and I don't really know what's in it yet. Pass number 2. One thing to watch out with this razor in particular, it definitely has overhang with the blade. So. All right, that is the shave with Declaration Grooming's After the Rain, previously known as L&L Grooming. I wasn't in wet shaving when they had that name though. So again, this soap is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna let this dry out. I'm gonna rinse off the threads on the back here first. Then I'll let it dry out for at least 24 hours until tomorrow morning, and yeah, store it away until next use. Went with the Hagen razor and the GSB, Gillette Silver Blue DE blade. For the aftershave, oh, and of course, can't leave out RazoRock, the lather monster here. Let's just see how much lather we have left in here. Enough for another pass, for sure. This is some dense, creamy stuff. Very dense, very creamy. And you could even see, you could probably see, look at the peaks. You could probably see the sheen, right? Yeah, I think so. So I definitely could have gotten one, maybe 2 more passes out of that. And that was about a 30-second load. I probably didn't need to do that much, to be honest. But why not? To finish it off, we're going with Frankincense and Myrrh from Stirling. This is one of the samples. It's a deep, dark scent. I don't know what frankincense nor myrrh smell like individually. But together, I guess they smell like this. So it's a incensey, darker type scent. And Stirling's aftershaves, my experience with them at least, have been very positive. They're very good aftershaves. They have alcohol, but not too much alcohol. All right, that's the shave. So hope you enjoyed it. Come back tomorrow for another one, and I'll see you later.